Hello students. If you're seeing this video, that means that you are watching either Miss Davis or myself, Mr. Newhouse, and you're working on a special PowerPoint presentation. So what we're going to do real quick is I want to show you how to kind of snazz up your slides, make them cooler, make them funny by using something called Giphy. Now if you're looking at me, you're seeing these slides right here like, oh look, he's got moving images. This looks silly. It's kind of funny, right? So what I want you to do in this presentation today is you're going to add slides from Giphy, and you are going to tell your story from now until you die in 5 slides. This is not a normal assignment. I don't want it to be boring. Use your imagination because that's what we're here for, and I want you to be silly, be funny, be creative. I don't care what you do. I just want you to learn how to do this while making a funny story that can make me laugh, Miss Davis laugh. So let me show you how to do this. All right, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new slide. So you're going to go down here. You're going to click. Let me show you again. Instead of clicking the plus, which will make a certain type of slide, we're going to click the arrow and we can pick what type of slide we want. We're going to pick a blank slide. Look at that. We have a blank slide. Clean slate. We can do whatever we want. Now you need to go and open a new tab. And you're going to go to this website right here. It's called Giphy. I'll show you how to get there real quick. We're going to go to Google. You can type in Giphy here if you want to. Down here, Giphy. And when Giphy pops up, you can click that, or in the bar at the top, you can go to Giphy.com. Once you get to Giphy.com, we have this cool thing. Obviously, people have been posting pictures of the police. We have a lot of different things we can do. So what I want you to do here is type something in. Let's say in my first slide here I had that I will become the greatest teacher in America. I'm going to type in funny dog, whatever. So we have all these silly images, right? I'm going to use this one right here because I just thought of something that's stupid. So I'm going to click this image, right? Now you see this little thing that says copy link right here? Copy link, right? Does everybody see that? Copy link. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to copy this link right here, the second one. Now you can hit Control and C on your keyboard, okay? And you can see right here, link copied to clipboard. So again, highlight the whole thing by double clicking and then hit Control C. Copy to clipboard. Now I know it's in the background, it's staying there, and let's go paste it. So now I'm going to go to my new slide, Insert, Image from URL, and you're going to paste it in there with Control V, like victory, Victor. Control V. Okay? So we're pasting in Control V. And let me show you one more time. We're going to go over here. We're going to pick the image. We're going to select this. We're going to hit Control C, copied. Go back here, Insert, Image from URL, and you're going to hit Control V. If we hit Insert, boom. We have our image right here, right? My second step is going to be, and then you're going to insert a text box, and you're going to say, people will look like this because they are so amazed with what a great teacher I am. Right? So we're trying to just make this silly, and we're using these pictures to kind of create a story. Right now I'm just changing the font size. And now we have our second slide made, right? Then you're going to create another one, and you're going to try to do this in 5 slides. Remember, you are going from the right now to when you're dead. Just 5 steps, you could say. I'm a student. I'm going to get a college degree in amazing stuff. They're going to make me president of the United States. Then I'm going to become president of the moon, and then I'm going to die, right? Doesn't matter. Have fun with it. You guys are amazing. Hi, Melina. Hi, TJ. I'll see you soon.